Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WordPress.com for a new website, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the WordPress.com website. Click on the Start Your Website button. You will see different options for creating an account. Choose Get Started to proceed. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Create a unique username for your account. Set a strong password to ensure your security. Click on the Create Your Account button. You may be redirected to a new page to select your website type. Choose the option that best describes your needs. Next, you will be prompted to select a domain name for your website. Type your desired domain name into the search bar. WordPress will suggest available domain options. Pick a domain that resonates with your site's purpose. You can opt for a free subdomain or pay for a custom domain. After selecting your domain, click on the Select button. You will now need to choose a plan that suits you. Review available plans and choose the one you prefer. Click on Continue to move forward. Fill in any additional information required on the next page. Review all your selections carefully. If everything looks good, proceed to create your account. You may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from WordPress. Click on the verification link to confirm your email. Once verified, return to WordPress.com. Log in with your newly created account credentials. Now you can start customizing your new website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.